Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Springhill local and long-distance movers near me. Even a long-distance shift can be much easier if you hire a professional mover like 3 movers. We have trained movers who are qualified to navigate your trip and handle your belongings carefully. But additionally, our moving firm also provides insurance for all your products. So in case of wear and tear, the cost of damage will be borne by us without any further charges. Even if you have purchased a property nearby, you should always try to hire a professional mover. They not only assist you in your shifting, but also help you in legal formalities. And if you are moving locally, professional moving firms like 3 Mover provide same-day shifting at the most affordable prices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Springhill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.